Hello, everybody. This time we'll be discussing the technical documentary requirements for the application of permit to operate of the air pollution source installation. For example, a generator set. What are the technical documentary requirements prescribed for the application of permit to operate? Well, it depends on the type of application. The purpose of application is a factor affecting the requirements for permit to operate application. So if we are applying for the first time, it's a different sets of requirements. If we apply for the renewal of our permit to operate, it's another set of requirements. So let's discuss the technical documentary requirements for the first time application, especially for those equipment that are considered standby generator set. And this is classified based on applicable rule and regulation as exempted for source emission testing. And all standby generator sets are exempted for source emission testing as defined by specific memorandum. Standby generator set with capacity equal or less than 300 kilowatts or operating not more than 200 hours per year or not more than 3 days per week or not more than 3 hours per day. And those are what we call standby generator set. So for the first time application for permit to operate of this generator set, which is considered exempted for source emission testing, the following are the documentary requirements. Of course, we have the notarized application form, which is computer generated in step 5 of the online permitting and monitoring system. A picture or brochure, the copy of the certificate of accreditation of the appointed or designated pollution control officer, the copy of the environmental compliance certificate, or the copy of the certificate of non-coverage, whichever is applicable, the copy of the DTI registration certificate for proprietorship, the copy of the SEC registration certificate for corporations, or the cooperative registration certificate and other applicable legislation. Now, for government offices, government-owned control corporations, certification is required that the air pollution source installation, like GENSET, is a government-owned property as equivalent to the registration certificate. Another requirement for permit to operate application is the environmental management plan. And next is the emission estimate. If the air pollution source installation, such as GENSET, is declared as standby generator set, additional requirements will be submitted, like the schedule and duration of preventive maintenance and the monthly records of power interruption. After submitting all these requirements to the online permitting and monitoring system, it will be subject for screening and or evaluation. And if found complete, an order of payment will be issued to the applicant, and the applicant, the owner of the equipment, shall pay the corresponding permit fees. The applicant can pay the applicable fees to the Land Bank Linkbase portal, and the electronic receipt of payment will be the proof of payment of applicable fees. The official receipt of payment will be uploaded to the online permitting and monitoring system, and after satisfying all the requirements, including the proof of payment, there shall be issuance of the permit to operate. The processing time is 20 working days. So those are the requirements for permit to operate application for the first time, and those equipment or air pollution source installation such as GENSET classified as exempted for source emission testing. Next is the discussion on the technical requirements for the application of permit to operate for renewal. If you want to know the technical documentary requirements for the renewal of permit to operate, please subscribe to this video. Please like, share this video. Maraming salamat, and I hope you have learned something today. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.